All right, sure.
Have you unfastened your fast?
Yeah, sir. I have break my fast. I have broken my fast.
Okay. You may say
You're not
like that, I
visible.
broke. Huh?
You're not visible.
Shabnam, what's
What's
going
going
on?
on?
I really
I
don't
I
understand.
have I have started my recording. The
Hmm,
video is being recorded, but you're
hmm.
not visible. Your voice is clear. I can listen to you properly, but you're not. Finally, now you're visible.
Okay.
I hope
Thanks.
this 15 minutes will go smoothly.
May, inshallah, inshallah. Then, madam, tell me, where are you calling from?
So, okay, as you know, my name is Shabnam and I'm calling you from Mumbai.
Okay.
Navi Mumbai, it's a part of Mumbai. And
Mm-hmm.
let me introduce a little bit because we are on a limited time. So, by profession, I'm a pharmacist and I'm a
Mm.
full time trader as well. And I'm full time homemaker and a mother.
Okay.
All right. So,
Trader,
these are my qualifications.
what does it? Trader means like
Trader means
you're
trading. Trading.
trading in a sense, like your share market, BSE,
Yes,
BSE.
exactly, exactly. NS,
I see.
NSE, BSE, both are included. Yes.
So the what do we call that? SIP is a part of share market
It's a
or
part of.
it's not?
I would say it's a part of share market.
Okay.
It's a kind of mutual fund, so we can say it's a part of share market.
Have you invested any amount, or you just help other people, or do you have
No,
you
I
invested?
have invested. I have
And
invested already.
have you gained some profit as well? May I believe so.
The amount which I have invested as in a form of SIP, so in which I'm getting profit. I haven't booked yet, but it's in a profit.
It's in a profit. But as far as I know, as I consider that in a SIP we have to hold our money, or we have
Yeah,
to keep on investing monthly basis. We'll have to
monthly
hold
basis. Yeah, exactly,
uh,
exactly. You're saying correct.
nearly
Yes.
15 to 20 years. Then only you could book a handsome amount of profit, in my opinion.
That's why I have said you like I'm in the profit, but still I haven't booked that profit. That means after 10 years, when I will
So
book, then I will tell okay, now I have this profit. But still that SIP is on going on profit, undergoing
okay,
profit.
it's mean you are telling me that you haven't booked any profit yet. This is your first term.
Only for the SIP. I'm telling about only for the SIP, not for the other, because stock market includes a category. So if
Okay.
like you was asking about the SIP only, mutual fund related. So
Hmm.
that was I haven't booked yet. But apart from this, if we talk about the swing trading equity, then I booked on the regular basis, like on the time interval, particular time interval. So overall,
So,
it's going on good, and I have been
hmm,
in this field for the 4 to 5 years. So I have
okay,
enough good knowledge. Yeah. And I have
okay.
also taken classes earlier.
Taken, you have taken
I,
classes also. And do you give class? Do you give class? Do you teach anybody?
uh, some like few friends of mine whom
Okay,
I have taught only basic things, not like deeply,
okay.
because
Mm-hmm.
most of the part we have to do by ourselves. If
Mm-hmm.
they
I
have
see.
any doubt, then
Mm-hmm.
we discuss on particular thing.
Do you know nowadays so many influencer, especially traders, what they say? They stand front of the they stand front of the car, and I have booked this car or this profit within 6 months. Is this
Yeah,
true?
they all are fictitious. Most of them,
Is this true, or this is just
99%.
a
No, no,
manipulation only?
it's all are fictitious.
Uh,
They are not
what?
existent. They just created a hallucination of a fictitious world. Actually, these are not exist. 99% are fake.
So why they do so? What's the reason behind it? Why they do so?
There are multiple reasons. First reason, if
Hmm.
I tell, then they want to gravitate people toward them so that they can give
Yeah.
their classes, their courses. They
Hmm.
can sell their
Okay.
courses, and
Hmm.
also they have a link. So if you
Okay.
open your account by using their link, so few amount of
Hmm.
percentage they will also take the percentage of brokerage. So few
Like a referral.
criteria reasons are there, referral code. Yeah, so few reasons
Hmm.
are there, because of that
Hmm.
they are doing this all activity, atrocious
Hmm.
activity, I must say. For me, it's a
Hmm.
kind of atrocious.
Hmm. I see. I see. Absolutely,
Sir,
absolutely.
sorry for disturb, but you didn't introduce me. I would
Okay, you
like to
ask me.
your introduction.
I hate introducing myself. You ask me whatever you want to know. I try my best to give my
Okay,
reply.
I
The
have
truth,
seen
I'll tell you.
actually I visited last time I visited on your channel, and on your channel there were like more than 500 videos. So it's not possible
Mm-hmm.
to watch each and every video, but a few video, one or two video, or more than that I have seen, in which
Mm-hmm.
you told that you are a trainer, a language spoken trainer. So I would
Mm-hmm.
like to ask, do you take classes all day, offline classes or online classes?
Well, I take online classes. I don't.
Only online, only.
I
Okay.
hate taking offline and group classes. I hate.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why. I really don't understand why. But it's not my cup of tea. Teaching a bunches of people together. What I believe is that spoken, you will not able to speak English until unless you will not speak. So speaking is
Correct,
the
correct.
most important part in order to
Yeah.
learn spoken English.
I agree. I agree. This is the crucial part of
Yes,
this journey.
absolutely. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. So from the beginning, I have only been teaching 101 online personal classes, not in a group
Okay.
class. Yeah,
All right. And my
yeah.
my second question is that like your name is like Arifauto. So I would like to ask you like still you are driving auto rickshaw, or you gave the you have a company where you provide the auto rickshaws to other people. What's exactly? I got confused when I saw your name, and I thought you might have company where you provide auto rickshaws to other people to drive or
Mhm.
something like that. So could you give me like what happened like exactly?
I was auto driver earlier.
Okay, earlier.
Yeah,
That's why you
I
put
was.
your name.
Yeah, and I still love the my auto. I sold during the lockdown. I sold because of the hybro. Because of hybro. Do you know hybro?
Huh, I have heard. Yeah, I know
Yeah.
about your
Bec-
application. You
this is
have
my
told many
application.
times. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is my application. Because of hybro, I sold my auto during the lockdown to fulfill the amount to the developer. And
Okay.
yeah, this is all about. I don't drive anymore. I am a st- I te- As I told you that I'm a spoken English trainer, as well as I'm a student of English literature. I'm in the second year now. In English literature field. I'm doing pursuing English literature. And yeah, this is all about me.
I believe you are doing distance course. I think distance.
No, 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 no.
Okay, properly
Regular,
you are taken a distance. Regular
yeah,
classes.
yeah, regular,
So for
regular.
this you have to go every day for in college.
Yes, absolutely. I have to go to the college every day for 10 hours, not for
Oh,
4
10
hours,
hours. Continue.
for 4 hours,
For 4 hours.
for 4 hours, every day 4 hours. Saturday, Sunday, I don't go. Saturday usually is off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I don't go. And the remaining day, I go every day, 4 hours.
How do you manage? You teach students online, then you do your practice, and also
Mm-hmm,
when I saw your video, then you seem to have a passion for reading. So this is
mm-hmm,
my special question, which I would like to ask you, because
mm-hmm,
I am suggested I should focus on the reading, which I
mm-hmm,
feel I am not fond of reading, and whenever
mm-hmm,
I start reading anything, I started feeling tedious. So I would like
mm-hmm.
to know something about reading. Like, what's your strategy you follow when during the course of reading anything? Did you write, underline anything, or the if you don't know any vocabulary meaning, so you search on the Google, and how do you everything manage during the reading?
While during reading, look, my main intention over here while reading to grab more and more vocabulary. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
remaining part I know. I am very strong and I know my strength where I am strong, but I am weak at vocabulary. So whenever I read, I underline the vocabulary
Oh,
portion and I keep on reading. One paragraph I read nearly 3 to 4 times, again and again and again and again.
okay.
So this is
Mhm.
the my secret, my strategy. And earlier I what do I say that I had no passion about reading earlier, but
Oh,
ever since I started pursuing my degree, I enjoy reading. And now I have an intention and purpose as well that, you know, that if I will not read, I will not get the degree. So I'm getting, I'm in a win-win situation from both the end. I'm reading for ornament my converse as well as for my college.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are killing two birds with a single stone. You always try
Yes,
to kill.
absolutely. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm a win-win situation from both the end.
Mhm.
That knowledge implementing while talking, and the same thing I am implementing that knowledge while writing in the exam,
Correct, correct,
you
correct,
know.
correct.
Yeah, so I'm in the win-win situation right now.
Okay, sir. So few books are there in which, sorry. Books are available in which they are the sentences and the paragraph are quite difficult to understand. They use the complex sentences. So the
Yeah.
learner who don't know the clause
Mm-hmm.
and the complex sentences, and if
Mm-hmm.
they come across these witty kind of sentences, then how
Mm-hmm.
they can tackle that situation?
This
So they
is
should
very
go with the
tough.
grammar, and after that,
Well, it's quite tough, madam, even for me. Look, we all are learner here. Even though if you have a 10 or 20 years of experience, reading is an art, and this type of art possesses a different writer. So it's quite difficult to understand what writer is exactly trying to convey the message through his writing. So it's quite difficult. No one has the answer. How you will obtain that knowledge by practicing only.
okay.
Yeah, the more you will practice, the more you will learn. So
So how many
practice,
times
research.
do you spend every day for the reading only?
two
Like
hour
how much time?
2 hour 2 hour
Every day, 2 hours.
2 hour
My
every
God.
day, every day.
Haven't you ever felt any like monotonous while reading?
Well, I
Haven't you ever
feel
felt?
I feel not, I feel still, but you know it's a passion in me, you know yeah, it's a passion, I would say. I don't have any
I
words, but
hope
yeah.
I will be also able to inculcate this good habit in my
Yes,
routine
you may,
because
you can absolutely, you can inculcate this habit. But concentration is concentration. You need a concentration, such a deep and profound concentration for this.
yeah. Because reading over and over, if we do the same activity, some after some time we feel it's a banal activity. So that's
Mhm.
why. But it's a vital role. It plays a vital role in
Absolutely,
our spoken journey. So
absolutely.
that's why
But
I still.
why you
What
are here? What's your goal? What you are
my
looking
goal
for, Madam Shabnam?
actually, exactly, if I want to say, like nowadays I'm working on my communication skill. So I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to enhance my communication skill. That's why I would like to connect with the people, especially on the video call, because
Mm-hmm.
I'm totally comfortable while I'm doing conversation on the audio, but I'm inhibited during the video call conversation. So that's why I've started doing conversation with the different people, so that I will be able to communicate with them in a very good way or in a confident way. So
Mm-hmm.
it's just I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing just only in order to enhance my communication skill.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything else only to enhance your
I
communication
hope.
skill?
Let's
Yeah,
see what will happen in the future. But right now, I'm in decisive. There is no like any special aim I have right now. But
yeah,
yeah,
very good. Absolutely. Then, Madam Shabnam, do you
yeah,
have
we are
any
running
other?
short of the time. For last question I have, I know like we are on the tight schedule, but it's still a
Mm-hmm.
last question I have. Could you please share any idiom or any advanced vocabulary or any phrase that you find extremely appealing to you? Anything?
Like uh, one word, circumambulate. There is a
Uh,
word, circumambulate. Have you heard the word
no,
circumambulate?
it's totally new to me. I have never
Okay,
heard.
circumambulate in a sense that, do you know? This Earth
Earth,
orbit,
yeah.
orbit
Orbit.
the sun. So that
Sun
orbiting,
is revolving around the
okay,
orbit.
that particular thing we call the circumambulate. When Muslim goes to the
Circumambulate.
Yeah, when
Okay.
we you when we when we what we call that, seven
Revolving.
times
Revolving.
revolving, or we what we call that, I don't know, I have only one word, that circumambulate. And yeah, I have so many words, but this is
Yeah.
quite
But this is
complicated.
quite
Yeah.
complicated. That's why you like it a lot.
Yes, absolutely. Then
Okay, sir. Yeah.
inshallah,
That's a
I'll
we have
I have
completed our
something
50
for you.
minutes.
I have something for you. I will contact you. I will call you definitely. I have something for you. Leave
Sure,
your
sir.
WhatsApp number on Skype. I will definitely contact you. I
Definitely.
have
Yeah.
something for you. Okay?
Unquestionably, I will share my WhatsApp number.
Yeah. And please, can you please stop recording? I would like to say something.
All right, sir. All right.